Hey guys, today we're opening gummy lunchables. It's $16. Let's see if it's worth it. It's the box real quick. Can't show you the full product. Gummy cracker stackers, buildable gummy candy, artificial flavored. Let's unbox it with capybara and waffle cat. Alright, so this is the thing. Let's see what it's worth. Yeah, Dad, you hold the camera. Or the phone. Can't call it a camera because it's not a camera. Maybe I should hold the phone and you open that. It's like, you can feel 100% feel it's gummy. You can feel it. And number one, we have to make a sandwich, both.
Holy cow, this is...
Alright, Dad. Make a sandwich real quick. I'll make one and then I'll record you making one. This is gonna be patty. Need some ham, obviously.
What's the red stuff?
Oh, that's meat. Then this is ham. These are cheese. I make like a full-on sandwich. This is my sandwich.
You get 2 lots of cheese. Cheese and cheese.
I get 1 piece of cheese.
No, that's cheese. And
Look at
that's
me.
cheese.
I'm eating. Yeah, I know. Watch. Watch me eat my beautiful specimen.
That does look not very appetizing.
Oh my god, that's so hard.
Okay, you might want
I got to it.
to... You might want to take smaller bites. And
No, I'm good.
It's very thick.
Mm.
It's getting there. Oh. I don't think you're getting all of it.
Oh. Hey, you can't eat the crackers right now.
Cracker's not too bad.
Yeah? That's actually pretty good.
Well.
You have to make your own sandwich.
Okay.
You know what? Since he got to try a singular cracker, I'm
Not much here for...
This is it says small patty. Is it good?
It's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
It's not worth $16.
I mean,
No. But it's not bad.
Waffle Cat, what do you think? It is worth, what do you think? No. Okay.
But yeah.
You hold the camera.
Yeah, that's gonna work.
You gotta see it little. This is good. I'm eating empty sandwich.
Okay, I think that was a little too much for you.
I cannot eat all that.
Okay, so what's your conclusion of this lunchable?
It's worth like $13.
Lunchable.
Gummy. What will we rate out of 10?
Yeah. What?
How all the meats taste different, and your sandwich is customizable. More crackers.
Okay.
I'll give it a 9.
A 9?
Not 10.
I'm gonna say like
It's not 10.
a 7.
Really?
Yep.
I would at least give it an 8.
Okay. So, what do we tell them?
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
And if you don't,
I didn't really want to. Like,
1 second, stay there.
I don't want to do stuff.
What do you think, Waffle Cat?
You will find this guy in your bed eating your toenails.
Okay.
That would be
Is it true?
That would be a dream come true.
Yeah, see, is it true though? Will this guy eat your toenails if you don't
I'll
like
eat
him?
your toenails.
That's even worse. Okay, yeah, that's what will happen.
Okay. And we're out.